Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the states of matter. I hope you already know the three states, but there is a fourth state also that is called as plasma state, which is not in our syllabus. And also, we won't be studying that. You'll be seeing the plasma state or the fourth state of matter in your higher classes, right? So as of now, we'll be discussing only the three states, that is states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Now, as you can see over here, in solid state, the matter is nothing but a matter which has a definite mass and occupies space, right? So matter exists in three states. So as you can see, the matter is composed of particles or atomic particles, or the subatomic particles, that is nothing but atoms and molecules, and inside atom the neutrons, protons and electrons, right? So the matter is composed of particles. As you can see, if I consider all the molecules or the atoms, they are closely packed in case of solid, but loosely packed in case of liquid, and the case of gases, you can see they are far away from each other. Okay, so in terms of, if we speak about the intermolecular forces, in case of solid, the particles between them, the intermolecular forces are very strong, whereas in liquid little bit lesser as compared to solid, but more as compared to gases, and in gases the intermolecular forces are very less or minimum. Now, as the solids, they acquire definite shape and size, that is they have definite volume, right? They have definite density. But in case of liquid, the density is definite but the shape is not definite, that is they consider the shape or they take the shape of any container in which they are kept. But in cases of gases, the shape and the size both are not definite, that is they don't have definite shape, that is volume, and they are compressible as well, right? So now let's see whatever we studied now in a tabular form. Now, solid, liquid, gases, highly strong intermolecular forces between the molecules leads to a definite volume in solids. As I said, in liquid the intermolecular forces are stronger than gases but weaker than solids. In gases, the intermolecular forces are practically non-existent, thus there is no definite volume. Actually, the intermolecular forces in case of gases would be very less, okay, that is minimum, negligible. And solids have a definite shape. Liquids do not have a definite shape, as we know, because they occupy the volume or the shape in which they are kept, the container The gases do not have a definite shape as well as size, because they are, or the particles or the molecules are very loosely packed, okay, or you can say negligible intermolecular forces. The intermolecular spaces between solid is absent, okay, not absent actually, the space would be really negligible between the particles of the molecules of the solids. In case of liquids, the intermolecular space is moderate but present, means there would be space but moderate, means more than the solids but lesser than the gases. The intermolecular space is free flowing and plenty. There would be enough space between the molecules and the particles of the gases. And in case of solids, they are incompressible, that is the volume cannot be changed. But liquids cannot be compressed as well, because they are also incompressible, okay. Their shape can be changed but the volume cannot be changed. Gases can be compressed quite easily, of course, because there is a lot of spaces available between the particles or the molecules of the gases. Solid cannot flow. Why? Because they are closely packed, or the intermolecular forces between the particles or the molecules would be such high that the flow of the solid is not possible until unless you apply force from outside and make all the particles move at a time, okay. And liquids can flow easily, of course, because there is a space between them, moderate space, that is more space than as compared to solid but lesser than as compared to gases. Gases can flow and evaporate easily. Why? Because they are already in motion, they have enough spaces between them, right, or between the particles or molecules there is enough space, so it allows them to move freely, okay, and evaporate easily, that is they can move from one place to another place very easily. That is the meaning of evaporates easily. I hope you understood, right? So that was all about states of matter. Thank you.